In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make separate pages in your Wix website. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look to the left side of the screen and open the Pages panel. This is where you manage everything related to your site's pages, including creating new ones and organizing what appears in your navigation. Inside the Pages panel, choose Add Page. This brings up Wix's Readymade page option so you can quickly build out your site structure without starting from scratch every time. Let's add your essentials. Select About to create a page where you can share your story and credibility. Next, choose Services to list what you offer in a clear, scannable layout. Then click Projects to showcase examples of your work, and Contact to give visitors a simple way to reach you. These templates come pre-formatted, which makes them easy to customize later with your own text, images, and branding. Now, open the General category. Select Landing Page for a focused, distraction-free page you can use for campaigns or promotions. Confirm the choice by clicking Landing Page again. You can duplicate or repurpose this later for specific audiences. Add a 404 error page as well. This is the page visitors see if they follow a broken link. Having a clean, on-brand 404 reduces frustration and helps people find their way back to your content. If your site needs specialized functionality, click Store to add e-commerce pages like a product catalog and cart. Choose Bookings if you schedule appointments or classes. Select Restaurants for menus and orders tailored to hospitality needs. Click Blog to enable articles and categories, which is great for SEO and ongoing updates. Pick pricing plans to sell memberships or packages in a structured way. For content that repeats the same design but changes the data, click Dynamic Pages. These are powered by collections and help you scale content like portfolios or directories while staying consistent in design. If you want total control and a clean slate, choose Blank Page. This gives you a page without preset sections, perfect for custom layouts or experimental designs. When you're satisfied with the pages you've added, click Publish in the top right. Publishing makes your new pages live so visitors can access them. Finally, click Done to finish up and return to the editor. That's it. You've created separate pages in Wix using both templates and flexible options,